What if I told you trading is not as hard as you think, and is also not as random as you think? Now, there is some probability in trading, but with this strategy that I'll teach you today with a high win rate, you can be sure to win more times than you lose. And that should be enough to be profitable in binary options. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Golden, and I share trading tips on how to be profitable in binary options. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a very high precision strategy that should help you to be profitable if you pay attention and learn it properly. Anyways, let's get into this training session, and I'll show you how I use this strategy and how I'm able to make profits from binary options. All right, guys, I'm already on the pocket option platform, and today we're going to be trading these set of assets, as you can see above. And the indicators that we'll be using, which is very, very important for this strategy, is our fractal with a period of 5, our alligator with default settings, and also our ADX on a 15 period, but just the main line. And also we're using a CCI at 20. Now, all of these are going to be on the 1 minute time frame. That's where we're going to be taking our trades, and I'll be starting with $30 for each of our trades, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like content like this, guys. Anyways, let's look for the first opportunity, and we'll take the first trade, guys.
If you want to trade like a pro, make sure you subscribe to this channel right now. Daily trading signals, winning strategies that actually work, live trading and profit breakdowns. Don't miss out on game-changing content that can make you serious money. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a trade.
Okay, guys, so we have our first entry. We have a long trade over here, and I really don't want to trade the pullback, but we see that the CCI, it hasn't yet crossed into the overbought zones yet, so there's still a potential for this to go up. Also the alligators indicators, moving lines are pointing upward, and the fractal has indicated a structural minimum being updated over there. So there is a high chance for this to go in an upward direction. There's a high chance we can have a reversal. I just opened an additional trade because it seems like the first trade was a bit too early. It didn't have the best entry point. So in case the first one goes in the loss, we have a backup entry. Let's see how it plays out, guys. Just like I mentioned, the first trade didn't go out so well, but hopefully the second trade will cover up our losses. The timing of the entry point is so important in binary options, and even I sometimes miss it. But I think we'll be in a profit for this one. And then we can move over to the next asset to trade. Perfect, guys. So the first trade ends in a profit. Let's move on to the next asset. We're actually at break even now because we just covered up for the loss, but it's fine. We'll be able to cover up with the next trades that we take. We'll look for higher probability trades, guys. Okay, I'm seeing something potential here. Let's just wait for the perfect entry. Okay, guys, so I opened a long trade here, and this one is kind of simple and straightforward. So we can see that there is a newly formed global minimum right now, because the previous minimum was breached, as you can see over there, and now there's a new global minimum being updated, and we can anticipate that after such a breach there will be an upward move. So that is the reason why I took this trade. Also, if we check the CCI, we can see it's really deep in the oversold area, just giving us further confirmation for this trade. Yeah, I expect a reaction within the next minute. Just as we can see, it's already moving in our direction. But let's see how it closes, guys. I have a couple of seconds remaining. Perfect, guys. So our second trade is in a profit. So we just started making some money. Let's up our balance and take the next trade. We're using our full balance, so we cannot make any mistakes, guys. Yeah. I'm gonna pick only the high probability setups.
Imagine you can make money even while you were sleeping. I know it sounds crazy, but it's real. With an AI trading bot that analyzes the market 24/7, executes trades with insane accuracy, all you have to do is sit back, relax, and watch your balance grow. No stress, no emotions, just profits. Tap the link below to get access to the AI bot now and start making money on autopilot.
Okay, I just got one, guys. So I opened this trade following the trend dynamics. We can see right now we're in an uptrend. There was a previous downtrend, a global minimum updated, and now we're moving up. This is a potential reversal. And so the alligator indicator is also confirming this by the lines being so far apart. And the new touch points also converge with the same idea. I didn't focus on the CCI, even though it's in the overbought area, because the other signals are giving us a buy. So we can discard the CCI for this particular trade. It really takes a keen eye to understand when to use the indicators and when not to. As you can see, the market is already going in our direction. Let's see how it closes, guys. Couple of seconds remaining. Awesome, guys. So our third trade closes in a profit. Just perfect. Just like I mentioned, we didn't pay attention to the CCI because the oscillator already reached the 2.0 mark, the 200 mark for this particular trade. Anyways, let's up our balance and move to the next entry. Okay, we have our next entry, guys. Over here, I opened a long trade following the general trend. We're in an uptrend, and we're just following the trend, guys. The moving lines of the alligator have already started to cross as well, if you see over there, which is indicating a smooth reversal. The chart is relatively stable, so this setup it's a good one, guys. As we see, the ADX reached 43%, and that's the maximum value for this chart. Also, the trend is taking a slight pullback, and now we're assuming that the pullback was finished. As we can see, a structural update over there with the fractal, and now two structural updates actually. So we can expect that this trend will continue to go up after having this pullback. Let's see the outcome, guys. A couple of seconds remaining. Awesome, guys. So we're in a profit again. This is a lovely winning streak. Let's just change the balance. I'm already satisfied with the results, but just to wrap things up, let's take one more trade. Let's not risk everything. That's why I reduced the balance to $37. And let's look for one more trade to wrap things up with. Okay, guys, so yeah, we took a chance to open a short trade. Now, there was a local maximum updated over here, as we can see. And now we can expect the movement to continue downwards. Even the alligators indicators have, shown that the three lines are crossing or about to cross, rather. So we can expect that after that, the price will continue going down and continue with the trend dynamics. For this one, I didn't follow the CCI. It hasn't yet crossed to the oversold area, but still, I believe that this will end in a profit, guys. We have a couple of more seconds, guys. I'm kind of skeptic about this one now. I think this might not go in our favor. Okay, so we have our loss, a second loss for the day. I think I must have, not analyzed the global minimum over there that was updated properly. Probably my approach to this trade was wrong, guys. So there was a global maximum, there's a local maximum updated here, and I should have respected that to not open a short yet. So we can see that it's actually going in an uptrend. You can see a while from now, the fractal will also update the local minimum. It was a bad trade. It happens sometimes. It's fine. We're still in profit overall. Yeah, let's just go to withdraw. And as you can see, the withdrawal is successful. Perfect, guys. I mean, that's just awesome. Today was an amazing trading session. We were able to make from $60 $300, and I tried my best to explain each of the thought process behind each of the trades. I hope that you use that yourself and you're able to make big wins. Don't forget, guys, I'm leaving a link to my Telegram channel, and there I'm posting more trade insights, and I can give you more personal help in your trading journey. If you're just starting out, or if you started out already and you're not making any profits, do not miss that opportunity, guys. The link is in the description of this video. Check it out, and I'd love to help you more personally in your trading journey. Anyways, see you next time. Peace.